In this lesson, I want to take a look at converting temperatures between different types of temperature measurement. And we're all probably familiar with the two main ones that we encounter each day, which are degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius, of course. We usually see degrees Fahrenheit on the news. Degrees Celsius is used pretty much everywhere else in the world, so it's important to be able to convert between the two. So in this first one it says use the formula C equals 5 times, in parentheses F minus 32, all over 9 to convert 95 degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. So they give us the formula. What this formula does is you plug a Fahrenheit temperature in for F and make the computation, and that'll give you the Celsius temperature. So we are going to just write out this formula. We have 5 times, but instead of F, I'm going to put in the actual number they gave us, 95. Okay, so I know the first thing I need to do is take care of the parentheses up on top here. Parentheses always come first, and so over here is scratch work. 95 minus 32 is 63. So C is equal to 5 times 63 over 9. And now I'm going to multiply my 63 times 5. And get 315 over 9, or divided by 9. And then finally, computing 315 divided by 9. 9 goes into 31 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. We get a remainder of 45. 9 goes into 45 exactly 5 times. And so what we end up with is C is equal to 35. And so what this tells us is that 95 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. Now, we also might want to convert in the other direction. I used to live in Bellingham, Washington, which is very near Canada, and so some of the television stations and news stations that would come in would give the temperature in Celsius. So you might want to know, okay, if 25 degrees Celsius is reported, what is that in Fahrenheit temperature? So here's the formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. We're going to plug in our Celsius temperature for C and then see what we get. So Fahrenheit is going to equal 9 times the Celsius temperature, which is 25 in this case, over 5 plus 32. I know that over here I have multiplication and division. That's all going to come before addition. So addition is going to be the very last thing. But first I'm going to want to multiply my 9 and my 25. And so we get 225. So my Fahrenheit temperature will be 225 divided by 5 plus 32. A little bit more scratch work here. 225 divided by 5. 5 goes into 22 4 times. Oops. Drop my 5 down. 5 goes into 25 exactly 5 times. And so what we get here is 45 plus 32. And of course 45 plus 32 is going to give me 77. So my Fahrenheit temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit when the Celsius temperature is 25 degrees Celsius.